Hello everyone, how are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing, you are safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. This is your reading for those who are not in contact with their DMs, their divine masculine. Okay, so in this video I am going to tell you what are the messages of your divine masculine and what are they thinking, what they are going to do towards you. Okay, what are the next steps they want to do and what are they thinking towards you. So I'm going to do that reading. This is a general reading. This is the general collective divine masculine energies and the messages. So I hope it resonates with you. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and according to your condition and leave the rest. Because this is the general collective reading, so this is not going to resonate with each of you, so take according to your situation, okay, and leave the rest. So let's see what are the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine, what they want to tell divine feminine. Please help me out, guides, god, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the messages which I need to deliver to the divine feminines from the divine masculine who are in twin flame journey. Please give me the messages which I need to deliver to them. What are the messages from the divine masculine? Give me the messages, and if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. So let's see what are the messages. Okay. What are the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine? Please help me out to deliver the messages. What are they thinking? What they do want to tell to the divine feminines? What they want to say to the divine feminines? What are the messages? Any other message they want to say? They want to say a lot of things. Bottom of the deck I am having, it's not over. Okay, it's not over. And you inspire me to become the best version of myself. You inspire me to become a best version of myself. It's not over. Is it possible to forgive and forget? They want to ask you. And I am not the same person who you remember. Would you accept me? Beautiful message. I'm going to take these because I think my intuition is saying that I have to take these cards. So yes. See, I got the same message 2 times. No one compares to you, no one other compares to you. The same message is there. They want to say you that no one compares to you. Okay, divine feminine, no other one compares to you. No other person compares to you and no one other compares to you. The same message they want to say. Okay, no one compares to you and no one other compares to you. You are the only one I wanna be with. Okay, you are the only one I wanna be with. You are honest with me and you are very forgiving. You are very forgiving and I you are honest with me. You are always ready to help me. You are always ready to help me. You accept and respect my limitations. Okay, they want to say this, that you accept and respect my limitations. You give me enough space And you are always there when I need you. You are always there when I need you. Your divine masculine wants to say you that you are always there when they need you and you give them enough space. Okay? You mean the world to me. You mean the world to me. You respect my family. You make me complete. You make me complete. You treat me like your princess. That means you treat me like your prince or princess. Okay, gender is not specific here. You can take, because this is the messages from your divine masculine. Okay, so this is the message they want to tell you, and you are not in contact, and they want to say that I need more time to figure things out. Okay, I need more time to figure out things. Why they are saying this? Because they want to say that it's not over. It's not over yet. We will be together again. Okay, and would you accept me? They want to know that would you accept me, and we would be together again. Would you accept me? They want to talk to you, but they don't know what to say. Okay, I want to talk to you, but I don't know what to say. They are feeling very restricted, very stuck, feeling like an hangman. Okay, yeah, they want to talk to you, but they don't know what to say. Sometimes I wonder if saying I am sorry is enough. They wonder that if they say sorry and that it would be enough for you or not. Because I am not the same person that you remember. Okay? They are not the same person which you remember. Because you inspire me to become the best version of myself. Okay, divine feminines, this is very beautiful message, and they want to tell you that you inspire them to become the best version of themselves, and they want to ask you that is it possible to forgive and forget them? Is it possible to forgive and forget them? Beautiful messages from your divine masculine. Beautiful messages. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. And today I'm going to use the deck, Gita deck here. Let's see what are the messages from this deck. What are the messages you want me to deliver for the divine feminines? What are the messages you want me to give from the twin flame journey, for this twin flame journey? What are the messages you want me to deliver? Give me the messages which are important. Wombs of misery. The pleasure that derive from contact with sense of objects are wombs of misery. They both have the beginning and end, and thus take wise no delight in them. Okay. Then there is the destroyer. I am death, destroyer of all. I am the source of all things yet to be of woman. I am fame, prosperity, speech, memory, intelligence, faithfulness, and patience. Okay. So that means that whatever situation was there between you and your divine masculine, that is going to end very soon. Why I'm saying that it is going to be end soon? Because you both are in connected in higher realms. Can you see here? Higher realms is here. From the highest sphere in all the material world down to the lowest, all places of misery where birth and death take place, but whoever joins me in my abode is never born again. Higher realms, you both are connected in higher realms. That means you both are connected in 5D. Then there is immovable Himalayas. Of the greatest seas, I am Bhrigu of birds, I am the symbol Om of sacrifices, I am Jab, the silent chanting name, and amongst immovable things, I am the Himalaya mountains. Okay, so you both are in a journey where things are right now seems that it will not be an easy path, because you know that twin flame journey is not an easy path, but you will cross it. See, journey, you will start a new chapter of your life. The journey is here. Let me see what are the messages for divine feminines. What does their divine masculine want to say? What are they thinking, and what are they want to do towards divine feminine who are not in contact with? Change is coming towards you. Some kind of, you know, official person will help them. There is some official person which is helping them to bring this change. The change is coming for you. Okay, so they want to make a change. See, again the journey has come. See, right, the change and a new chapter of your life is going to start with your twin flame, with your divine masculine. A change is coming. Any other message from the divine masculine? There will be a sudden wealth for you. Okay, any other message? Bottom of the deck I'm having, oh wow, oh wow, oh wow. Okay, so you will receive a message, okay, from your divine masculine. You will receive a message. See, message will be received to you, main female. This is divine feminine. Divine feminines, you will receive a message from your divine masculine, because they are thinking of you. They are having a thoughts of you. They are missing you. 1155 was the recording reading time. They are thinking of you. They are missing you. They are seeing your pictures, and they are having a thought of getting married to you here. Okay, and there is a mature woman and there is a thief. So maybe this is a third party, the karmic one. She wants to steal your divine masculine from you, but do not worry at all, she cannot. I know, and you all know that divine masculines are, you know, you both belong to each other. You are the same soul who are, you know, divided into two parts, a male one and female one. So divine masculines belongs to divine feminines, and divine feminines belongs to divine masculine. There is a mature woman who wants to, you know, steal your divine masculine from you, but she cannot. This is the karmic one. Okay, she's the karmic relationship which I am getting. Maybe your divine masculine is having a karmic relationship. Okay, see, distant horizons. So ships are coming towards you. That's the message. Beautiful. This is the karmic one, and she wants to steal the divine masculine, but she cannot steal that. Your divine masculine is thinking of you, you know, getting married to you. He is missing you basically, and soon you will receive a message. This is a timeless recording. So okay, so this is a message which you will receive. There are things which are coming for you. The ships are coming for you. There is an anchor here, so things are coming for you. Maybe there is a sudden wealth which you will receive. Okay, and there is an official person in your journey which will help you out. There is a change which is coming for you, and there is a new journey, a new chapter in your life which is going to start. Let me see what are the messages. Thank you so much. What are the messages from the tarot? What? Okay, let's see what are the next move they want to do. I already tell you from this deck that they are thinking to message you. They are having a thoughts of you, but there is someone around them. There is a karmic one around them who wants to, you know, steal your divine masculine. There is a thief. She's a thief, but she don't know maybe, but it's okay, leave the things on the divine. You need to just surrender yourself to the divine, because this is a divine journey. See, two of cups, this is a divine journey, so divine will do everything in this. You just need to focus on your self love, self acceptance, inner work, and work on yourself. Okay. Ace of Pentacle, they want to give you some stable committed offer. Maybe they want to get you married. Okay, so let's see, what does divine masculine want to do next towards divine feminine? What steps they want to take? Justice will be served in your case, divine feminines. Let's see what they want to take, the next steps, the next action, what they want to take, what they want to do. Let me see, what does divine masculine wants to do next towards divine feminine? What does divine masculine they're coming towards you at a slow pace. Okay, they want to come towards you, and they want to come basically, can you see here, I am having 6 of Cups. This person is your soulmate. The 6 of Cups is they are missing you. They are memorizing the old memories which you both have spent. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Emperor here. Okay, so they want to see, they are missing you basically, but slowly, because there is Knight of Pentacle is here, so they're coming on a conclusion at a very slow pace. Maybe right now you are unable to see, because this is the slowest energy which is coming for you, but this is 3 of Pentacles, so this is a time of great they want to collaborate with you, take the relationship towards a higher level of commitment. Maybe they want to take the relationship on a higher level. And the 7 of Pentacles is here. You have already done 1717 was the recording reading time. You have already invested your time, your patience, your energy, your love. This is just, you need to wait for your harvest. Review your progress. Wow. Emperor, change your life. Let me see more. Let me see more. Solutions are coming for you. They want solution. They want solution basically. They want solution. What does divine masculine want to do? Clarity. They have, oh wow, Empress. Ace of Swords. Okay, this is you, new beginnings. Wow, so you are having new beginnings basically. You are having you're rising as an Empress, and you are having new beginnings. They have the clarity here. Your divine masculine is having clarity. There is no confusion on their part. Okay, they have the clarity that you are the one with whom they have to spend their whole life. Okay, I am going to take it. Maybe they will message you with a small message that, hi, how are you? But they are going to message you, and they are new beginnings which are happening for you here, divine feminines. They are new beginnings which are coming. Okay, let me see more. What are the things? Wow. 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 Okay, that's enough. Why I am saying that? Okay, you will say wow like I am saying it. Okay, Emperor and the Empress both are here. That's my house ring. Thank you so much for the confirmation. Okay, so you are dealing with your divine counterpart, and they are coming for the solutions. Here you are having new beginnings. Okay, Empress with the new beginnings, and the Emperor with the solutions. They want solutions basically. Okay, they are finding the solutions, and the new beginnings are coming for you, divine feminines. New solutions are coming because divine masculines are finding solutions, how to solve, how to get united with your divine feminines. Wow, beautiful messages. Stability, and they are taking the charge of the situation, they are rising as an emperor, and they are having self control and patience. Temperance, can you see here the solution? The temperance is here, they're keeping their patience because they want solutions. Basically, they are going to get solutions here. The new beginning is here, the empress. Beautiful. You both are completing a cycle which you both need to complete. The world card is here. Okay, there is a karmic cycle which you both have to complete, and you are completing it. Then there is 10 of Gabriel. Okay, 10 of wands. So they are carrying lot of burden, lot of loads on their shoulder, but now they are releasing it. That's why there is a world card here, because there is no 11. Okay, 11 of wands, there is 10 of wands. So they are now releasing all the wands, and now they are having clarity. There is no confusion from their side. They are having thoughts of you, they are missing you, and they are releasing all the burdens which they are carrying on their shoulder. Okay, the world card is here. So your divine masculine is finding the solutions. Basically, okay, they are finding the solutions, and you are going to have new beginnings very soon. Okay, the emperor and the empress both come here. Beautiful, I love it. Thank you so much. Let's add one. Where is the deck? Okay, let's add one message from the angel's guide. Wow, this is a scared plan. Okay, this is a plan of the divine. This is a plan of a scared plan. Okay, let's see what is the message from the divine. Let's see what is the message from the angel. There is a spiritual growth for you. Listen deeply. Okay, bottom of the deck I'm having yes. Yes, you have to do your work. Okay, do your inner work, divine feminines. Whatever inner work you are doing, you have to keep doing your inner work. 2222 was the recording reading time. There are signs and reminders which are coming for you. You have to listen to your intuition. Listen deeply to your intuition. There is a spiritual growth which is coming for you. You're becoming more aware. Spiritual growth is coming for you. Thank you so much, angels, for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see more messages here from the angels and ancestors. Be the light. You have to be the light. Divine feminines, you have to be the light. Let's see what are the messages from the twin flame journey for the divine masculine and the divine feminine. There are two messages here, hunter and the knight. Track down your fears and desires. Okay, this is the message from the divine masculine, and if it applies on you also, you can take care that you need to track down your fears and desires. Okay, hunter is here. Remove any fears, remove any desires if you are having inside of yourself. You need to track down your fears and desires. Okay, do not fear at all. This is a divine journey and divinely guided journey. Things will happen at the divine timing. There is knight. Be brave and honest. Okay, you need to be brave and honest. So this was your reading. This was your messages from your divine masculine to the divine feminine. What they want to tell, they want to do solutions, and they are new beginning. I'm just loving it. I'm loving the energy of your divine masculine. Energy is beautiful. Okay, can you see they are working on the solutions, and they are working on the new beginning here. You both are rising as as an emperor and the empress. You are getting your highest self. Okay, you are getting on your highest self, the best version of yourself. That's what they are trying to tell you, that you inspire them to become the best version of themselves. I hope it resonates with you, but if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out. and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition. Take care of yourself, sending you lots of love, light, and energy to all of you wherever you are in the world. Take care of yourself. See you soon.